Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve an interesting geometry problem. We have a right angle triangle. The height of this triangle is 12 unit and the base is 16 unit. And there is a circle inside it passes these three sides. We have to find the area of this circle. Consider this is the center of this circle. Now draw two perpendicular line from this center to this height and to this base. So consider this is the perpendicular line from this center to this height, and from this center to this base the perpendicular line is. Now this line indicates the radius of this circle. Suppose the radius of this circle is r unit. So this length is r. Similarly, from this center to this point, this line is also radius, which is r. Now these two side lengths are equal and all of this angle are 90 degree, so this is a square. For this reason, this length is also r. So as this is r, so this length will also be r. Now as the total height of this triangle is 12 unit and this is r unit, so this length, this will also 12 minus r unit. Now this two line is the tangent of this circle and both are meets here, so this length is equal to this length. As this is 12 minus r, so this length is also 12 minus r. Again, as this is a square, so this length will also be r, and total is 16 unit and this is r, so this length will be 16 minus r unit, this length. Again, these two are tangent of this circle and both are meets here, so this length is equal to this length. So this is similar to this. As this is 16 minus r unit, so this will also be 16 minus r unit. Now if this triangle is ABC, the hypotenuse AC is equal to this length is 12 minus r and this is 16 minus r, so total length will be 12 minus r plus 16 minus r. This 12 plus 16 is equal to 28 minus this r and this negative r will be twice r. Now apply Pythagoras theorem to this right angle triangle. We can write this hypotenuse square AC square is equal to this height square, which is AB square plus base BC. So this base BC square. Now substitute value of AB and this BC, we will get the value of AC. So AC square is equal to AB, this is 12 unit, so 12 square, plus BC, this is 16, so 16 square, or AC square is equal to 12 square, this is 144, plus 16 square, 256, or left side AC square is equal to 144 plus 256, this is 400. Now taking square root to both sides, we will get the value of AC is equal to square root of 400, this is 20. Or as we have AC is equal to 28 minus twice R, so substitute here, we can write 28 minus twice R is equal to this right side 20. Or from here we can write twice R is equal to this 28 minus 20. 28 minus 20. Or left side twice R is equal to 28 minus 20, this is 8, and divided both sides by 2, we will get the value of R is equal to 8 divided by 2 is 4, and this is the radius of this circle, which is 4 unit, and the area of this circle is equal to the area of formula is pi times r square. As the radius of this circle is 4 unit, so we can write pi times 4 square is equal to 4 square, this is 16, and this pi. So this is the area of this circle. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.